Well, welcome to the Surfer Joe Show. Doorbell's got to be changed out. Simple job. We're on the new action cam. The Osmo. DJI. Alright, we're going to see how this all works. First time for the Osmo action cam. Doorbell, easy to do. Monte screwdriver. Phillips head. Start down here. A little more. Save the screws, you never know. Got them in the pocket. See, the plastic broke out, so now I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. 2 screws. You just gotta undo it. You don't have to bring the screws all the way out. Just gotta make sure that the wires come loose. Don't touch the wires. Well, not the metal part. There we go. There we go. Put the old one. Yeah, it's curled it out. Also in the pocket. And we got the same kind. It's best to replace this with the same kind. Now we're going to see how well it'll be easy to open. What we're going to have to do. Wow, they really packaged this stuff up. Okay, ooh, new screws. I'll hold on to them. Not in the hand. Okay, now, it's a tricky part. Not too tricky, but screws. Now, it should not matter which one you put it into. But we will find out. Loosen these up a little bit so we can get that wire around it. You don't want them too loose. If those come out, well, you can have problems. There we go. Oops. There we go. Twist this that way. Now, wrap wire around here. Tighten this up. Hope you can see this. Okay. This is not going to matter. There it goes. Take the red wire. That's the hot wire. I'm touching it. Okay, well, I'm lucky. But you don't want to. Yep. Ooh, I can feel that tingle. I can feel that tingle. It's being some old brittle wire. Let's loosen the screw a little more. Okay. Now maybe we can get this down in there. I want you to be able to see this. Oh, I can hear the beach bunny inside screaming. Mother. I'm telling you. Some things that are supposed to be easy just aren't. I'll tell you what. I know you can't see with my big hand, and I can't see because there's no light. Okay, we're going to loosen the screw more. Tighten that one up. Okay, loosen this a little more. Maybe that should do it. You never know with this stuff. You don't know with this old stuff. So let me get the screws out of my hands. Put them in the pocket. The other ones. Man. Get in there. Wow. It's supposed to be easy. Doesn't mean it always is. Ooh, we got it. Look at that. We got it. See, this is stuff you can look forward to having to get into. Okay, now the screw. Now we got the screws. Two new screws. Two new screws. So, push that back up in there like that. See the lights on. That's good. See if we get to work in the bolt hole. Not too tight. This can break. We don't want it broke. Whoa. Tighten it now. Steady hands. There. And that is it. That is it. Lights on. We're not going to ring the bell because you won't hear it. Okay. Just a short video today. Try not to do DJI Osmo Action Cam Chef Frankie got. That video is being posted to YouTube right now. So, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, please. And as Chef Frankie says, donate. He just added some buttons. Okay. Well, easy change out for a doorbell. Could be a lot worse. It's not. Thank you. Have a great weekend.